This is Zack's pronunciation. This word is pronounced symmetry. Symmetry. The emphasis is on the first syllable sim. Symmetry. 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 Symmetry is the idea that something stays the same or looks balanced even after a transformation like flipping, rotating, or shifting. A shape or object has symmetry if one part matches another part in size, shape, and position. Symmetry. Symmetry. The ending syllable is tree. Symmetry. There are different types of symmetry: line symmetry, rotational symmetry, translational symmetry, radial symmetry. 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 Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe Zack's pronunciation for more pronunciation videos.